Black Rhino wheels for the Santa Fe that Gene's never gonna get. Wheels before car. Let's make a comment. Are these gonna be cool or ugly? Gene takes. Kinda scared to see these. Oh. So these are gonna go on the Santa Fe for SEMA. Here are the way cooler wheels. Gene got us new Black Rhino wheels for the Sandstorm Land Cruiser because black's boring. Whoa. Which are cooler? These or these? Yes, cabaña. That means restroom in Spanish. So this is where Luis, this is where he's gonna sleep. His bed. Bed, him. All right, let's open this. Spiky, get that side, please. So this is the first time we're opening this. That's where I'm gonna sleep. Oh, can't see. Dude, how cool is this? Whoa. Hello. Whoa. You open the tent, there's two Mexicans inside. This is where Luis is gonna sleep. Oh yeah, it's nice. So what we're doing today, the roof is gonna go Sandstorm to match the Land Cruiser. Guys, look at this. So sexy. If you're a midget and you still need a ladder to get inside. Hey, you see that? This place would go down Franco here. Luis is taking a nap. So we mounted the mount, and now we're gonna put the tank in, strap it down. So the first power tank unit is bolted into Sandstorm Land Cruiser. All the goodies connected. So all we gotta do, connect lines, and we are good to go. So what we did is we put it right here so we can go out the back window if needed to run the air to the tires. Here's a great example how this could work. Out the window, and then straight to the tire. So we set it up perfectly. Right out the window. Big thanks to Power Tank. For more info, check out the link below. They make some bitchin' product. All right, so right now we're gonna make a quick checklist for the weekend. Beige Cruiser, we need to trim front bumper, put on the wipers, touch up the cowl, put on the third Thule bar, the Tepui Tent. Then remember to put the trim molding, the Thule awning. Okay, should be it. Trim front bumper and mount the Coleman go-kart. So that's it for the beige Land Cruiser. We made a quick stop at Home Depot to find some straps to strap down the Coleman golf cart and the mini bike. So we're gonna see some cool options. They got camo, checkered, fish. So let's see which ones we like. Here's black and orange checker, weird design, blue camo, and I think we got a winner. Camo to match both the Land Cruisers. So gonna pick up 4 straps and a lock for the Wilco 5th wheel hitch. The moment of truth. Will the Coleman golf cart fit in there? Hopefully. Well, that didn't work. So sometimes things don't go according to plan, but it's all good. Coleman sent us their mini bike and also the go-kart. We were gonna put the go-kart in the beige Land Cruiser to match the red wheels and the red trim, but we have the cargo slide in here that Brian made for us. So fitment's a little different, but we got the bike to fit, the power tank. So I'm gonna flip it around and show you guys how it looks inside the back of the Land Cruiser. So this Land Cruiser is going in the Pennzoil shell booth. It's got the cargo glide, which is super dope. And then strap down the Coleman mini bike. So it's cool. The camo goes great with the sandstone color. A lot of you guys are asking how the cargo slide works. So there's a latch you pull, a release, lock release, and then look how cool. It slides out, in and out. So it's kind of cool, so you can move the bike in and out without having to go inside the back. So what we're talking about right now, we got 3 of the Thule bars for the tent. We need to make sure it's perfectly aligned and centered before we put the awning. So we're gonna do 3 bars, and we're gonna make sure it matches up to the tent. So Senior Juan and his bandana, he just came back from a date. We need to put the factory molding back on so it matches and looks back like brand new. So we already trimmed the inside of the bumpers to make sure that the new wheels, see how much more aggressive they are, they clear. So this is shaved, and then we get ready to put the tent on. So it's been a long process, but this is a wrap on the Sandstorm Land Cruiser. Stay tuned for a video of details of all the partners involved. Remember to like our channel, subscribe, and comment below. And we're going to finish up the green Land Cruiser and the Ranger for SEMA. Thanks for following along.